So a common confusion of terms that arise anytime we talk about WordPress, and I would like to make some clarity onto that. On the web, you will find two domains that using the name WordPress, WordPress.org and WordPress.com. And when talking to people or reading about WordPress, these two domains get these two domains and the name of WordPress are often used interchangeably and haphazardly. This is unfortunate but understandable, so I will try to bring some clarity to it now. WordPress is the application itself, a free open source web publishing application you can download and install or any server to publish content on the web. As I mentioned, you can use the WordPress service itself, or you might use it on an external host. An example of the current use of the term WordPress would be something like my new website is powered by WordPress. WordPress.org is the website that hosts the WordPress open source project. From the website, you can download WordPress, the application, find the official documentation for the application and WordPress handbooks, get support through the forums, and get involved with the development of WordPress and its community through WordPress, through make.wordpress.org. An example of the current use of the term WordPress.org would be if you were having a problem with your new WordPress site, trying asking the question in the WordPress.org forums. And that gets us to WordPress.com, which is the site offering WordPress as a SaaS, or software as a service. WordPress.com offers a free and paid hosting plans with various levels of features. You can build your own site on WordPress.com without finding a host and installing WordPress manually, but your site will be restricted by the platform and its rules. So like me, I'm using SiteGrounds, and I'm restricted to the rules that this host provides for me. It doesn't have a lot of meaning on the practical part, but it still have this restriction that you need to follow up with what your host is providing updates, of course, into the WordPress itself and into the content management and the control panel you have on it. For example, getting your own domain name, installing and creating plugins, and creating your own theme is restricted and may only be available by paying a fee. WordPress.com is a walled garden, you can describe it this way, where you trade convenience with anatomy, which is in some cases the best option, and in other cases it's not. It all depends. An example of the current use of the term WordPress.com would be, I built my first blog on WordPress.com. Now I want to add functionality to it, so I'm moving to a self-hosted WordPress site.